Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Science View channel. In today's video, we are going to listen to a science fact why our hair is tougher than razor blades. Before getting into the video, please watch this entire video, and if you have any clarifications regarding scientific facts, you can comment about it in this channel and you can rectify the scientific doubts. Now let's get into the video. You might have probably stood over the bathroom sink or in the shower and wondered, how is it possible that our hair can dull a steel razor blade? Hair is notoriously strong for its thickness, but come on, it's a stainless steel razor blade. That's got to be stronger than a little old strand of hair, right? Scientists have wondered the same thing, and now we have got an answer, and that answer is heterogeneity. Hair is indeed softer than steel. You might have noticed this by yourself. It's about 50 times softer than the stainless steel used in razor blades. And yet, the razor blades we use for shaving get dull fairly quickly. A team of scientists wanted to find out the reason behind it, and their results were published in a journal. These researchers shaved their own facial hair with disposable razors and took them into the lab to be examined with a scanning electron microscope. They found that the edges of the metal weren't rounding or being worn down as you might expect. Rather, they were chipping and cracking. So, they created a machinized shaving apparatus in the lab for more controlled testing using hair from themselves. The whole machine fit inside the electron microscope for a handy purpose. What researchers on the study found was that chips in the blade's edge were more likely when the hair was able to bend before being cut by the blade. So the team went even further to create computer simulations with more variations, with different hair with different cutting angles and direction of force being applied and the material used in the blade. They found that the chips appeared under three conditions. First, when the blade approached the hair at an angle, and second, when the blade was heterogeneous in composition, and third, when the hair met the blade at a weak point. Simulations explain how heterogeneity in a material can increase the stress on that material so that a crack can grow even though the stress is imposed by a soft material like hair. Heterogeneous means the blade's material is not perfectly uniform. There are microscopic imperfections that allow chips to happen when it comes into contact with the hair, and where there is one chip, there will be more chips resulting in a dull blade. The researchers are now working on a more homogeneous or uniform material for sharper, longer lasting blades. And we can get some thoughts about the tense about the hair. When we talk about the strength of human hair, we are usually talking about its tensile strength. That's how far you can stretch it before it breaks, and it is measured in megapascals. Human hair is in the neighborhood of 200 megapascal, while structural steel is about 400 megapascal. Spider webs are far stronger though at 1200 megapascal, and carbon nanotubes are among the strongest known materials at about 62,000 megapascals. So what we come across this thing is that our hair is strong enough, but what it does to make the blade dull is that it is just chipping it off and cracking the edges of the blade. So when it comes into contact with the hair, the blade is being getting chipped and cracked, and later on it is getting dull and it is getting weakened. So that's it for today's video. Hope so you got some scientific facts related concepts relating to why the hair is making the blade weak, and we have seen that why our hair is tougher than razor blades. So you can too ask some scientific facts and get it clarified in this channel, and you can get clarified with more enlightening scientific thoughts in this science facts treasury series. We will see in the next video with the next scientific facts. Until then, it's goodbye from Sam. Take care.